What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm gonna show you guys my go-to vegan snacks. I got 3 easy recipes for you, and if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, now let's get into the kitchen. All right, so the first snack is going to be stuffed dates, and we're gonna stuff them with peanut butter. So all you wanna do is cut the date in half just like that, remove the pit, split it open, and then repeat the process for the rest of the dates. This is a simple, delicious, and easy snack that you can make. It's also a really good pre-workout snack. It'll keep you full for longer, just because of the healthy carbs and the fats from the peanut butter. So I'm putting these on a plate just so I don't spill peanut butter all over the cutting board. And keep in mind, you guys can put whatever nuts you want in there, almonds, walnuts, any kind of nut butter. I have peanut butter on hand, so that's what I'm gonna use. And in my opinion, that is the tastiest combination. So I have some chunky organic peanut butter here. It's just 2 ingredients, which is organic peanuts and a tiny bit of salt. And what you wanna do is just fill it up like so. So there you have it, guys, a very quick and easy vegan snack that's very tasty. I usually only make about 3 of these at a time because it's a very indulgent treat, but you guys can make as many as you want and put them in the fridge and save them for later. All right, so this next recipe is going to be mixed nuts. So I have half a cup of walnuts and half a cup of almonds. I'm gonna throw them in the air fryer for about 15 minutes at 370 degrees, but I know not everyone has an air fryer, so in a regular oven, you wanna cook them at 300 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes and check on them periodically just to make sure that they're not burning or getting overcooked. So I'm gonna pop these into the air fryer, and then I'll show you guys the spices that we're going to put on after they come out. Now for the spices, I got half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic, and half a teaspoon of coconut sugar. So now you wanna transfer your spices to a cup, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of water and maybe more depending on how thin it is. So this looks thin enough, and now we're gonna add it over the mixed nuts. And for these mixed nuts, they actually took much less time than expected. It actually took about 6 minutes in the air fryer for the almonds and about 4 minutes for the walnuts. And now you just wanna toss these. And now you can let these cool for about 10 to 20 minutes, or you can stick them back in the oven or the air fryer at a really low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. And there's the final product. I just tried a few and they are delicious. So I threw them back in the air fryer for 4 minutes at 170 degrees. So you wanna make sure it's a very low temperature because these nuts do burn easy. And if they get burnt, they're not gonna taste as good. Now let's move on to the third snack. So the next snack we're gonna make is a simple guacamole. It's a nice looking avocado. Quick way to cut an avocado is just slice some lines down the middle. Get yourself a bowl and scoop the avocado out. Now you want to do a squeeze of lemon and get the seeds out. I dropped some seeds in here. And you can add tomatoes or onions, but I'm going to keep it simple here and add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then some diced jalapenos. Now the next step is pretty self-explanatory. All you want to do is get a fork and mash. And here you have a quick and easy guacamole recipe. You can dip veggies in this, you can dip crackers in it, or you can use it as a topping for any of your meals. And here's how I like to enjoy it. I get some corn chips, and I enjoy it as a chips and guac. So let me know what you guys thought of those vegan snacks. Like I said, they are very easy to make, and I hope that it was easy for you to follow along. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought, and let me know if you guys like the style of this video. I can see myself in the future making easy breakfasts, easy dinners, easy desserts, lunches, all that kind of stuff. So I would love to hear your feedback. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.